Hi everyone, it's Fab here from digitalfastmind.com. I'm going now to use CONVERTFUL through Pabbly Connect to pass data to another application. I will use Automizy, which is one of my mailing apps, but you can use it with virtually any other app you want to integrate with. So I will take it very quick. It will be an easy integration because we will use the preferred way, which is through the Webhook. So I aim to make it below 5 minutes. So let's start with it. I created a new webhook, triggered it. This is the one we want to use. In CONVERTFUL I've created a widget called Pabbly. This is the one I use it when people will click here on the submit action. We will have to insert the go to data and go to URL and send data. In this way we will use the post method to send the first name and the last name. I will save the change and we can go now under the Pabbly Connect to capture the webhook response. We need to test it first to send something. So put it into listening mode. I will open a new page. I will type my name. And click here. Let's see. It says status response accepted. It's sending now the data here. Let's see if it arrives correctly. There we go. First name, email. We don't even need to use here the JSON. It's already encoded. Hit on save. Now go with the plus. We will select Automizy, which is here, and we want to create a contact on a list, connection, and then we'll use the credential I already have in place. And there we have it, the required field. We map the email, first name, we map the first name. We go down to save. There we have it. Now the connection is in place. I will send a test request to see if it works. Let's go to Automizy, and we got one contact, which is the one used here. So I will reopen into incognito mode, anonymous browsing for us. So there we go. Loading again, so it's Fabrizio. Oops, it's overlapping here, and it's another one. And we hit on get the discount. Now the automation is in place, everything should be alright. Let's see if it populates the Automizy. Second contact done. Record, I think it's below 5 minutes. Everything is done through Pabbly Connect. Very easy, very straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to buy the Pabbly Connect app, now it's on lifetime deal, so please use my affiliate links if you want, or if you don't want. It's been just a pleasure to show you how to connect this app.